Well, time to take a good hard look in the mirror. Are your teeth giving you a little bit of shade? 3 simple steps for whiter teeth. The expert tips are coming up right after these messages here on Reno 411.
National Dental Hygiene Month.
You got to take care of your grill.
You have to. It's one of the first things that people will notice about you, Dave. So I think it's very important. So I am here as the Queen of Smiles to tell everybody how they can have a beautiful, healthy smile.
Now, and you could, of course, whitening products can get expensive, but how can you keep a whiter grill on a budget?
Well, in my book, Get Smiled, I share some tips that some of the celebrities do, such as Julia Roberts. She uses what your grandma and my grandma used back in the day, which is baking soda.
Okay.
You just dip your toothbrush in baking soda, gets all the surface stains out. Catherine Zeta-Jones uses something like strawberries, which has a whitening property. I know it sounds kind of weird, but strawberries have malic acid, which whitens the teeth and keeps the stains off. And then the newest thing is called coconut oil pulling. So you can get coconut oil in packets at like Whole Foods and Trader Joe's.
Coconut oil what?
Pulling. So it's coconut oil, you put it in your mouth and you swish it around for 20 minutes, and it is known to not only get the bacteria out of your mouth, but whiten your teeth.
This feels like wax in there.
You know what, it actually tastes pretty good. It's very weird, but it is actually very effective. I actually love it. I use it and I love it.
Interesting.
Yes.
So what are some tips that people can do at home to kind of get their teeth whiter?
Okay, the first thing that I suggest is you first need to know what color your teeth are, because not all teeth whiteners are created equal. So I would recommend the next time that you're at the dentist that you get a color analysis, and that way you'll know which product, because the over-the-counter whiteners and those home whiteners may not be strong enough to truly get your teeth whitened. So see your dentist. And then tip number 2 is you need to look at the things that you eat. So coffee, tea, red wines, you need to either minimize or eliminate those from your diet altogether.
You just lost a lot of people.
I know, but if you love coffee and tea, you could always bypass the teeth and suck through a straw.
Okay, yeah. So that helps.
It definitely helps. And then number 3, there's 2 powerful tools that I love, the electric toothbrush and the water pick. When you combine those 2 products together, it's like a car wash for your teeth. So those 2 things will keep the stains down and keep your gums healthy.
Very cool.
Yes.
Now, where can people go for more information on getting whiter teeth and keeping their teeth healthy?
You can go to my website, which is thequeenofsmiles.com, where you can purchase my book, Get Smiled, on my website.
And what will people find in your book, Get Smiled?
You'll learn everything from A to Z, how to choose the right dentist, the top procedures, teeth whitening, porcelain veneers, if you're missing teeth, all about dental implants, and if you're afraid, ways to pay for cosmetic dentistry, because it does get pretty expensive, and the benefits, like getting a new job or finding love or just feeling confident. And that's what it's all about, having that confident smile.
Very cool. I'll share with you something. I got an implant.
And you can't even tell.
I know. Well, you can. My pocketbook could tell. Those things are,
they
like
are
you said,
costly.
Woo.
And so that's why I included a section in my book on affordable ways to get the job done. Smile now, pay for it later.
Yes, I definitely am paying for it still. Unbelievable. Well, Dr. Austin, thank you so much for the information.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
You bet. I'm afraid to smile. I need whiter teeth. We'll be back.